If your 2013 Nissan Sentra air conditioning is blowing warm air, don't rush to a shop before checking these common failure points. In the 2013 Sentra, over 70% of cooling issues are caused by simple refrigerant leaks or pressure sensor faults. Let's break down the diagnostic process step by step to pinpoint exactly what is failing. Start by checking if the compressor clutch engages and inspect the condenser for any signs of physical damage or debris. The pressure sensor, cooling fan, and even a completely blocked cabin air filter are frequent culprits in this specific model. If those look fine, check the blend door actuator and the compressor relay, which are known to wear out over time. You can tackle filter and relay swaps yourself, but leave heavy system work like evaporator replacement to a certified professional. Costs vary wildly from a $20 relay to an $800 compressor replacement, so diagnose carefully before buying parts. Use a multimeter to check the IPDM fuse box and perform a pressure gauge test to confirm if your refrigerant levels are correct. Keep a basic multimeter and a set of AC manifold gauges in your garage to handle these diagnostics with confidence. Always remember to prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear when working near refrigerant lines, as they are under high pressure. Thanks for watching our guide on fixing your 2013 Sentra AC. Subscribe for more expert troubleshooting tips.